Open App Store or Play Store and download the Niyo app. After downloading, open the app and choose Global Card plus Niyo UPI option. After this, grant the app permissions to enhance your experience, grant the location access, allow the app to make and manage the phone calls and send messages to verify your phone number. Tap to give permissions, enter your mobile number, check the terms and conditions box and tap on Continue. Choose your SIM slot and confirm. After this, the app will send SMS to verify your phone number. This is a very important security feature. Next step is to verify your email ID. Choose any account or enter manually. If you have a referral code from a friend or a company, enter it to earn some Niyo coins. If not, you can skip this step. Create a memorable password. This will act as your app security lock. After setting up the password, you'll reach the product selection screen. Select the Zero Forex card. Keep these documents handy: Aadhaar card, passport file number, physical PAN card. Please note that a physical PAN card is required, except that you do not need any physical documents. Then on the next step, you need to locate the passport file number at the bottom left of the last page of your passport. This is different from your passport number. You can either enter it manually or scan it using the camera option. After this, you will be directed to card selection space. Tap on the Get Card for free. Next screen will show up the debit card with DCB Bank. Tap on Get Card. Review and accept the terms and conditions. Next step is to perform eKYC. Enter your Aadhaar card number. Check the I agree box and click Perform eKYC. You'll receive an OTP on your Aadhaar registered number. Enter the OTP, click Next, verify the details and confirm. Enter your mother's and father's name. Select your current profession and income range. You can put any tentative range. It does not affect your account creation process. Answer whether you plan to send or receive money from abroad. This won't affect your account setup. Choose the expected number of monthly transactions. Next is the address confirmation step. The app will autofill your Aadhaar address. If you wish to receive the card at a different address, click Add Address and provide the new one. A dialog box will appear. Check the boxes and confirm. Next step is to add a nominee. You can nominate a family member by entering their details and tap on Continue. All the detail part is now done. As a final step, you have to do the video eKYC. Tap on the Go to Video KYC. For video KYC, you will need your original PAN card handy with you. Tap on Got It, read the details and tap on Continue. A pop-up window will open in your browser. Tap on Click here to start your video KYC. Give bank the consent to record the KYC. Give the permissions for location, camera and microphone. Tap on I am ready to get on a video call with a bank agent for the KYC. The bank agent will join the video call. Show your PAN card to complete the KYC. Once the KYC is done, the bank will verify your details and your account will be created within 24 to 48 hours. After activation, you can start transferring funds to your account and your card will be ready for use.